use the Hotspots feature on the 3D collaboration platform. So I've got my shoe open. I'm going to choose more options, and I'm going to choose the hotspot icon. So now I can move the shoe anywhere I want and add a hotspot. So if I choose this, now you can add text, which is somewhat self-explanatory. You can have a title, which is optional. This is only for internal use, so you don't have to put anything there. But you could type whatever you would like. And you can have bold, italic, numbers, and more. So because I had already published this to the API, it is going to unpublish from the API. And this is because we want to make sure you don't accidentally add any hotspots live. So I'm going to say, yes, I do want to post that. Next, you can also add photos. So if I add an image, a file. You can also add a caption if you would like. This will appear publicly. The title, again, will not. You can post. And lastly, you can also add videos. Videos need to be Vimeo or YouTube links. So I'm going to grab a video from YouTube, and I'll close that. And again, the title is optional. It's just to help know and keep track of things on the side, but the caption will show up publicly. And now I'm going to hit post. So I've got 3 different types of hotspots here. So I'm going to exit. I will now publish to the API. And I'm going to refresh the embed code. And now I can see my shoe, and this is how it will appear publicly if you have hotspots on your web page. So if I choose this, I get to see the text, and you'll see that the other hotspots disappeared. If I click away, it goes away. Now I'm going to click on this next hotspot. I can see the picture with the caption if you'd like one. And lastly, the video. You can see there's audio as well. And that's it.